Click the link in the description below to learn how to switch to commercial full-time.
Hey, I'm Andy here with Empire Roofing Contractors, part of the Choice Roof Contractor Group. Been in that group for about 6 years. I can tell you most of what I've been doing is a credit to the group that I'm in. A bunch of contractors work together and we can really pool our resources and help guys out. Today, I'm helping Dave here do one of his first commercial roofs. And this roof is an EPDM restoration that we're going to be putting a liquid applied restoration coating right over top of it. We power washed it yesterday. This morning we put a primer on it, and then this afternoon we're reinforcing all of the seams with a base coat and fabric. And then tomorrow, once that's dry, we will put a top coat on it, and it'll be beautiful white. The bonus of this roof right now today is about 174 degrees. We've locked it at 174 degrees, and our goal, and I'm pretty confident that when we get done with this, we're aiming for being under 100 degrees, right around 90 to 95 degrees surface temp. So that's going to make the customer really happy, more comfortable inside, and the roof's going to be way more efficient. And really, with the Choice Roof Group, we can help Dave make sure that his first project goes really smooth, and help him with the ordering process and the bidding process, get his questions answered that the customer's asking him, and it worked out for him. He was bidding against another company, and Dave was able to come in and answer all the questions that the customer had, offer him the resources and the data that's for this system, and win the job. And now we're out here making sure that he's going to put on a great system that's going to last for many, many years. If you want to be part of the Choice Roof Contractors group, all you got to do is ask me or hit the link that's in this description. Somebody in the group would be more than happy to help you. I'd be more than happy to come alongside you and help you grow your commercial side of your business. Roof on.